Hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Today, we talk about English for talking about studies.
Yes, studies, school, college, learning, classes.
Many people feel shy when they talk about studies in English.
Many people think, my English is not good.
But we say, you can do this.
Yes, you can do this, step by step, slowly.
Let us start with a small problem, a real problem.
Imagine this. You meet a new person.
The person asks you, what do you study?
Your heart goes fast. You feel nervous.
You think, oh no, I don't know what to say.
Your mind is empty.
Today, we help you. We make it easy.
Very easy, very simple.
By the end, you can talk about your studies with calm and confidence.
Let us begin.
First, let us relax. Take a slow breath.
You are safe here. No stress.
We speak slowly. We use easy English.
We repeat many times.
Repetition helps your memory.
And helps your mouth speak.
Now, the most common question.
What do you study?
Listen again. What do you study?
This is a very common question.
People ask this in school.
People ask this at work.
People ask this when they meet you.
Let us answer it in a very simple way.
The easiest answer is this. I study English.
Listen, I study English.
Very good. Short, clear. You can change the subject.
For example, I study math.
I study science.
I study history.
I study computer science.
Let us practice together.
Repeat after me. I study English.
Again, I study English.
Good. Now you.
I study math.
Again, I study math.
Very nice.
The word study is very important.
Study means you learn something.
You read, you listen, you practice.
You go to class.
You do homework.
That is study.
Now, another question. Where do you study?
Listen, where do you study?
This asks about the place.
You can say, I study at school.
Or, I study at college.
Or, I study at university.
Or, I study at home.
Let us repeat.
I study at school.
Again, I study at school.
Good. I study at college.
Again, I study at college.
Very good.
Some people study online.
Yes, you can say, I study online.
Or, I study from home.
Very easy.
Now, let us put two ideas together.
I study English at college.
Listen again. I study English at college.
Repeat after me.
I study English at college.
Nice job.
You see, you can do this.
Short sentences are your friend.
Now, another common question.
What are you studying now?
This means today, these days.
You can say, I am studying English now.
Listen, I am studying English now.
Repeat.
I am studying English now.
Good.
I am studying for my exams.
Exams are tests.
Tests at school or college.
I am studying for my exams.
Repeat. I am studying for my exams.
Very nice. Now, let us talk about levels.
Some people ask, what year are you in?
This means your year in school.
You can say, I am in my first year.
Or, I am in my second year.
Or, I am in my final year.
Final year means last year.
Repeat with us.
I am in my first year.
Again, I am in my first year.
Good. Now let's slow down and practice more.
We will use daily life examples.
Imagine you are in a bus.
You meet a student.
The student asks you, what do you study?
You smile and say, I study science.
Simple, friendly. Imagine you are in a cafe.
A new friend asks, where do you study?
You say, I study at university.
Easy.
Now, let us do repeat after me practice.
Say it with us, out loud.
I study English.
Again, I study English.
I study at home.
Again, I study at home.
I am studying now.
Again, I am studying now.
Great work.
Now, let us have a longer conversation.
A real conversation.
Let us have a real conversation.
Emily and Paul are talking. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. What do you study?
I study English.
Nice. Where do you study?
I study at college.
Are you studying now?
Yes, I am studying for my exams.
Good luck.
Thank you.
This is a full conversation.
Short sentences, easy words.
You can use this.
Now, let us talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1.
Some people say, I am study English.
This is not correct.
Not this, but this.
I study English.
Or, I am studying English.
2 correct ways.
Mistake number 2.
Some people say, I study in college.
This is not wrong, but better is this.
I study at college.
Use at for place.
At school. At college.
Mistake number 3.
Some people feel shy and say nothing.
Silence is the biggest mistake.
Try, speak. Even simple English is good.
Now, let us practice corrections.
Repeat after me.
I study English.
Again, I study English.
Good.
I study at college.
Not this, but this.
Again, I study at college.
Nice.
Now, let us add more useful phrases.
My subject is English.
Subject means what you study.
Repeat. My subject is English.
Again, my subject is English.
You can say, my major is English.
Major means main subject.
But subject is easier.
For beginners, use subject.
Another phrase. I like my studies.
Or, I like my subject.
Repeat.
I like my studies.
Again, I like my studies.
You can also say, my studies are interesting.
Interesting means not boring.
Repeat.
My studies are interesting.
Good.
Or, my studies are hard.
Hard means difficult.
Repeat.
My studies are hard.
Very good.
Now, a mini situation.
You meet a teacher.
The teacher asks, what do you study?
You say, I am studying English.
The teacher asks, do you like it?
You say, yes, I like it.
Or, yes, I like my studies.
Very simple.
Let us practice again.
Repeat after me. I am studying English.
Again, I am studying English.
I like my studies.
Again, I like my studies.
You are doing great.
Now, let us talk about time,
Past, present, future.
but very simple.
For now, use I study and I am studying.
I studied is for the past.
Example, I studied math.
This means before, not now.
Repeat.
I studied math.
Good.
Future is I will study English.
Example, I will study English.
Repeat. I will study English.
Very nice.
Now, a full timeline.
I studied science.
I am studying English.
I will study business.
Short, clear.
Do not worry about grammar rules.
Just listen and repeat.
Your brain learns slowly.
And that's okay.
Now, another long conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, Paul. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Where do you study?
I study at university.
Are you studying now?
Yes, I am studying for my exams.
Good luck.
Thank you. This is a full conversation.
Short sentences, Easy words.
You can use this.
Now, let us help your memory.
We repeat important words.
Study, study, study.
Subject, subject, subject.
School, college, university.
I study.
I am studying.
I studied.
I will study.
Say it again with us.
I study English.
I am studying English.
I studied English.
I will study English.
Excellent.
Now, a small confidence boost.
You do not need perfect English.
Simple English is good English.
People understand you.
You are learning.
Learning takes time.
Be kind to yourself.
Practice every day.
Speak a little every day.